start the first look at the Grand Canyon. Holy moly.
Holy, it's bright.
We just got to the Grand Canyon and we are going to be checking in to the
Bright Angel Lodge.
Bright Angel Lodge. It is right here on the rim of the Grand Canyon. Very cozy. Into our room, 6154.
Welcome
Thank you, thank you.
to our room at the Bright Angel Lodge.
Nice, clean, queen-size bed.
Definitely clean.
A sink with a shower tub combo. Not the biggest room, but it's definitely nice. And then in the morning we can show you the view. It's the view outside. If you walk right outside of our door, you get to see the big world.
And here's our little cabin. And we're right on the rim. We're out here at 7:30. Sunrise is at 7:30.
Sunrise over the Grand Canyon.
This is insane.
We're out in front of our hotel, and along the path is the rim trail for the Grand Canyon. It runs 14 miles and has some beautiful views. This is kind of cool. You can see all the different tribes that originally called the Grand Canyon its homeland. They're all written here in a circle right on the edge of the Grand Canyon.
So there's our room. And this is what we're on. It's so crazy. This is the Kobe Lookout.
Cozy lookout. What are we even standing on here?
That's a lookout. All right.
Wow.
Ooh.
Going to take the 64, the Desert View Trail, and we're going to be driving along the rim of the Grand Canyon, checking out some views along the way, just enjoying our day. Set up a little breakfast on the cliff. So what are we cooking today, baby? Some gourmet or what?
I was really craving grilled cheese, so we're having grilled cheeses for breakfast.
Making some grilled cheese with the best view.
building is literally built into the cliff.
We got an old fireplace in here. Crazy view of the Grand Canyon. Going up to the top of the watchtower.
Whoa.
Fourth floor. Holy moly. This is everything you can go see. So these chairs are from 1933. Ground minerals we used to paint on the walls. That's how they did these. Alright, let's go up to the next floor. So this is the third level. And the views just keep getting better and better. See the river down there and everything. We are now on the fourth floor. Down. Now this is the last level to the watchtower. And this is the top of the Desert View Watchtower. Views from every angle.
You ready to head down? Ooh, it's almost like you're getting it on a TV screen and you turn it on. It's like, whoa.
39 degrees outside. Driving through Sedona. Had to stop for a little bit of food. What are you chefing up, love?
I pre-made some chicken sausage and zucchini pasta. So I just wanted to have something like pretty much ready to go.
Looks delicious.
Cheese on there. That will be delicious.
It's beautiful having this view. All the red rocks. So I'm really looking forward to this.
I know, we've been waiting all day for this meal.